Haven't we hinted about XRP being the only crypto on the market right now that is favored by the banks, scheduled to lead the Great Reset and hit the moon alongside Dogecoin? Well, XRP is at it yet again, making waves like always, creating effect and counter effects across the board. Hang on until the very end as we take a deep dive into what is relevant and trending in crypto. I'm talking about a powerful XRP explosion that is anticipated to happen overnight. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If this is your first time on the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. Don't forget you can join our free Discord group via the link in the description for daily signals and a community of like-minded traders and investors. And now you can also support us on Patreon. We have several packages you can choose from according to your particular investment goals, and we have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for VIP access on Discord, which gives you exclusive benefits far beyond the free features. Be sure to check out the links in the video description and in the pinned comment. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. So we're talking about a powerful XRP explosion that would happen all in one fell swoop. Let's face it, XRP has garnered more naysayers than yaysayers since it plunged during the early days of the SEC lawsuit from back in December. But that's not the problem. Now, will XRP jump back to a new all-time high, or will it fall? I still believe that XRP will hit a significantly high price margin very soon. And I mean real soon. What's more, I could place a wager that would happen all out of the blue. You guessed it right, it sure is going to happen right under our noses, just like we've always heard in the crypto sphere. If you're talking about longevity, sustainability, scalability, and affordability, XRP is an excellent coin for long-term investments, and not for anyone short-sighted. Anyone who's here for the short term will likely make a few bucks, but rest assured that such people would not make a lot of money. Which begs the question, why collect crumbs when you can make a lot more? Why go for the little wins when you can have it all? All it takes is time to make the mega wins. It all boils down to having a blend of patience, perseverance, and a tint of intuition. However, for people like me who are in it for the long term, you will enjoy substantial profits when the coin rises. Again, patience is the key, especially when it comes to cryptocurrencies. Now that that's out of the way, let's start with the subject at hand, Ripple's native asset XRP. What do we have here? It says from FX Crypto News 1, Ripple versus SEC. Ripple claims the SEC put the case on hold after refusal to release Bitcoin, Ether, and XRP documents. And heading over to the website on that tweet, reading on it from there, it says, in recent evolution of the lawsuit between the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple Labs, the blockchain company filed a motion to require government agencies to release internal documents related to cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum and XRP. Ripple's motion to require security regulators to release documents is a tug of war because, despite Judge Sarah Netburn's reply last month, the SEC has consistently refused to provide records. It is what it is, people. You've heard that right from the horse's mouth. The SEC is refusing to release its internal documents to Ripple instead of postponing, because the ordered discovery was irrelevant and needless. According to the crypto-based fintech startup, the SEC has repeatedly delayed its production while telling Judge Torres that the ordered discovery was irrelevant and needless, and asking the court to extend the discovery deadlines based on inter alia on the fact that the defendants have raised a number of concerns regarding the SEC's review and production of internal documents and communications responsive to Judge Netburn's April 6, 2021 order. Guys, the SEC refused to release documents on how they came up with the idea that Ethereum and Bitcoin are not securities. What did I tell you? I smell a rat. The good part is, soon enough, the court would release whatever it is the SEC is hiding, and we'll all know for sure it was worth it after all. It's only a matter of time. We've all heard the news that there might be a settlement plan for Ripple and the US SEC over the recent lawsuit, which I must say could conclude this long and tedious court case. It's been quite a long one for XRP and the entire crypto space over the past few weeks. I must say, however, if everything goes as planned, we might see a settlement soon, then relisting, and the price goes straight to the moon. If you haven't invested in XRP yet, now would be the best time to try your luck before the ship sets sail. If you've been following along with us in our previous videos about the price of XRP over the last couple of days, pretty much all of the chart analysts that we follow on Twitter have been putting out a bit of here and there kind of predictions in the direction that the market was about to take. This isn't some critique, and to be honest, no one is to be blamed for that. Sometimes there's just not enough data to have a clear-cut prediction on the route that the market will take. With cryptocurrencies, when we're talking about chart analysis, it's all about probability outcomes. In recent times, the blockchain startup behind the digital asset, XRP, aims to provide financial services related that would in turn boost the valuation of XRP. The Ripple protocol garners even more traction through an instant, reliable, secure, cost-effective, and cross-border real-time payments platform. According to a question put out by the current managing director of the International Monetary Fund, Kristalina Georgieva, where she had asked how to make payment systems accessible, cheaper, and faster. Fintech companies are looking for answers, but risks identified in the new G7 report on global stablecoins must be addressed. The IMF is helping its members find the right balance. Along with a network of more than 300 partners, about 200 of which are financial institutions, banks, and non-banks, and as startup companies continue to seek after those services that are unique to Ripple, which would allow them widespread reach while improving customer experience, Ripple has been consistently collaborating with a commitment of $50 million with prominent universities around the world, which has also allowed the San Francisco-based blockchain payment company to amass almost 10% of the shares with a traditional money transfer company, also based out of the US, MoneyGram. There have been all sorts of thoughts. If you've been a long-term holder of XRP, or if you're new here, welcome to the party anyway, but I'm talking about the early adopters. For those of us who have been around for a very long time, we deserve this price surge more than anybody. I hope this happens much sooner rather than later, but I want to clarify that I don't have a financial background of any kind. I'm not offering financial advice, so you definitely shouldn't buy or sell anything because of anything I say. I know I say that more often than not, I know I'm repeating myself, but it is the right thing to do considering that there are so many people subscribing to the channel every day, and it's important that we mention this. In another interview, where the managing director of the International Monetary Fund, Kristalina, further went on to state that just as money crosses borders, so too must our regulatory efforts, international cooperation, including to facilitate international payments, and manage spillover effects. Going on further, the world-class economist of Bulgarian heritage went on to hint that, second, let me talk about smarter growth. We know the digital economy is the big winner of this crisis, but we must not allow the digital divide to widen so that some countries and communities fall further behind. This would bring more pain than gain in the future. So it's critical that institutions like the IMF support investments that will shrink the digital divide, working in partnership with the World Bank and others. Now, seeing many YouTubers talk about XRP hitting the 5-digit margin in the near term, maybe this year, and I'm just here to clear the air on that. Sure, perhaps we could see some significant gains this summer, but seeing the 5 digits will undoubtedly not happen this year. Like we've always said in previous videos, do make out time to check them out if you haven't done so already. It won't be hard for us to see the $10, $20 by the end of the year or next year. It's not rocket science, but common sense. But neither is it logical to think that XRP could hit the sun or the moon any day soon, reaching highs greater than $9,000 and into 5-figure gains. On that note, all I can say is be patient, know what to hold, and hold on to that which you know. These are the times that are going to determine the whales in the upcoming bull season. So if you're bullish about XRP, get well invested in its trends and the events happening around its community as much as you are about its gains. Be in it for the long term, and you can take my word for it. It all boils down to you to decide on what you would like to do with all of this information presented to you. I do hope by now that we all know where this is headed. As news of XRP leading the Great Reset is no longer a strange topic to us all in the XRP community. For those of you who are new to this, for those who just recently tuned into this channel for the first time, stay tuned to this channel to hear a little bit about what some of the greatest minds think about the distributed ledger technology platform, Ripple, and its native asset, XRP. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and turn on post notifications. Remember, you can now support us on Patreon, and you can also join our free Discord group via the link in the description. If you have any questions or comments, let us know in the comments section down below, and we'll see you next time.
That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.